Hey, good morning. Hope you're having a great day. As most of you know, if you followed our channel here on Savvy Organics Farm for any length of time, we're all about growing organic produce and raising chickens and pullets and having farm fresh pasture raised eggs. Today I want to mention to you that if you don't have the equipment to grow your own tillers, tractors with tillers, or any of that type of equipment you'd like to put in a garden this fall, so you're ready for next spring to grow some things at your house, you can hire us to do that for you. We have a BCS tractor I'll talk about in just a minute, but we have our new Yanmar tractor with the 6-foot tiller on it. And so if you need us to help you and put in a garden so that you can grow your own food, we'd be happy to help you do that. If you want to buy produce, please do it locally and try to source as much local, organic, healthy foods as you can. Tiller that we have on the tractor, let me show you here. This is our Yanmar BCS, Yanmar and our BCS. On the BCS, we have all of the implements to manage 30-inch beds. That's what these are designed for. Right now on here I have the Power Harrow. It's good for mixing in and working those 30-inch beds. We also have the Ground Blaster. The Ground Blaster that will penetrate and work new ground. So we can do smaller spaces with that. If you need to get a larger area tilled and plowed up, then we can do that with the Rebel Rhino 6-foot tiller here on our Yanmar tractor. So if we can help you out getting that done for you so you can grow your own food, then we'd be happy to help. As part of being able to grow your own food, one of those things, a reliable, sustainable source, are your chickens. You can raise chickens for meat, and you can raise chickens for eggs. In here I've got 38 chicks that we raise for the Trinity Hay Market. If you are interested in having backyard chickens and you're here in our North Texas area, talk to the guys at Trinity Hay Market, and we're the ones that help raise the pullets. The pullets come to us, they're day-old chicks, or the chicks come to us, they're a day old. We typically will raise them for the Trinity Hay Market until they are about 12 weeks old, and then they are ready to go find a home. So let me show you these chicks. So if you've followed us again for any time, we've done a couple of videos on raising the chicks, and you can see this batch is about 3 weeks old, almost 4 weeks old. But we'll get them out on the grass and start them on their free-ranging life at about 4 weeks. So this weekend we'll be moving these guys out to one of the chicken tractors in the field. So again, I'm David with Savvy Organics Farm, and if we can do anything to help you getting your garden beds prepared for next season, for next year, if you want to grow some of your own food, or if you're interested in backyard chickens or some chickens for your farm, you can talk to us or the Trinity Hay Market, and we can get that taken care of.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring